You get a raise, and for a moment, everything feels like it's about to change. More money, more freedom, less stress. So you celebrate a little. Upgrade your lifestyle just a bit. Maybe a nicer apartment, a better car, a few more you deserve it moments. And then, a few months later, you check your account and somehow, nothing really changed. You're still stressed, still thinking about money, still feeling stuck. And you're sitting there wondering, how am I making more, but not getting ahead? That sounds familiar. That's literally where most people are right now. I spend way too much time thinking about the real reason higher income doesn't equal financial freedom. Because on the surface it seems obvious, make more money, fix your problems. But if that were true, high earners would automatically be wealthy. And we both know that's not reality. So if you're someone who feels stuck, stagnant, or worried about your finances, make sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if this helps you out. Because today we're going to break down the real reason more income doesn't solve your money problems, and what actually does. Section 1. The income illusion. Here's the thing. Income feels like the solution because it's the most visible number. It's what people talk about. It's what gets celebrated. It's what gets compared. But income is just input. Wealth is about what you keep and grow. And here's what most people don't realize. You can double your income and still feel broke. Let's walk through it. Section 2. The math that exposes everything. Imagine two people. Person A earns $3,000 a month. They spent $2,400. They invest $600. Person B earns $10,000 a month. They spent $9,800. They invest $200. Who becomes financially free first? It's not even close. Person A is building a system. Person B is building a lifestyle. This is where it gets really interesting. Financial freedom isn't determined by how much you earn. It's determined by the gap between what you earn and what you spend. That gap is everything. Section 3. Lifestyle inflation, the silent trap. Now let's talk about the real problem. Lifestyle inflation. As your income goes up, your lifestyle quietly expands to match it. And it doesn't feel like overspending. It feels like upgrading your life. Better food, better experiences, better convenience. And look, there's nothing wrong with enjoying your money. But the problem is when every increase in income gets consumed. Because then, you're not progressing. You're just resetting your baseline. Now you might be thinking, yeah, but I worked hard for this. I deserve to enjoy my money. And you're right. But here's the truth. If every reward becomes permanent, it stops being a reward. It becomes an expectation. Section 4. The psychology behind it. Let's go deeper. Why does this keep happening? It comes down to something called hedonic adaptation. Humans are incredibly good at getting used to things. That new car feels amazing for a while. That bigger apartment feels like success until it's normal. Then what happens? You want more. And this creates a cycle. Earn more, spend more, feel the same, repeat. So even as your income grows, your sense of financial pressure stays the same. Here's what most people don't realize. Your lifestyle grows faster than your awareness. Section 5. The freedom formula. Let's simplify financial freedom. It's not a feeling. It's a ratio. Financial freedom equals expenses divided by passive income. If your expenses are $5,000/month, you need $5,000 per month in passive income to be free. Now here's the problem. When your income increases, most people increase their expenses at the same rate. So the target keeps moving. You go from needing $2,000 per month to $5,000 to $10,000. Freedom becomes a moving finish line, and you never catch it. Section 6. The high income trap. This is where things get dangerous. High earners often feel secure, but they're actually more fragile. What? Because their lifestyle is expensive. Let's say someone earns $15,000/month, but spends $14,500. They lose their job, and suddenly everything collapses. Now compare that to someone earning $4,000, spending $2,500, who's actually more stable. This is where it gets really interesting. Income can increase your options, but it can also increase your dependencies. Section 7. The identity problem. Let's go even deeper. Money isn't just math, it's identity. If you see money as something to spend, you'll always find ways to spend it. If you see money as a tool to build freedom, you'll treat it differently. Most people are unconsciously trained to consume. From ads, social media, society, you're constantly being told, upgrade, level up, you deserve this. But almost nobody is telling you, delay, invest, build. And that's why higher income doesn't automatically translate into freedom, because the default behavior is consumption. Section 8. A story that changes perspective. Let me give you a simple story. Two friends graduate at the same time. One chases income. The other focuses on building assets. 10 years later, the high earner makes $120,000/year, but lives paycheck to paycheck. The second person makes $60,000, but owns investments generating $2,000 per month. Who has more freedom? Not the one with the bigger paycheck, but the one with the better system. Section 9. What actually works? So what do you do instead? Let's make this practical. Control lifestyle inflation every time your income increases. Don't upgrade everything. Pick one or two areas, not all. Increase your investment rate if you get a $1,000 raise. Invest at least $500 of it. Lock in progress. Automate wealth building. Make investing automatic. No decision fatigue. No emotion. Track your gap. Focus on the difference between income and expenses. That's your wealth engine. Redefine success. Stop measuring success by what you can buy. Start measuring it by what you own and what pays you. Section 10. The shift that changes everything. Here's the shift. Stop asking, how can I earn more? And start asking, how can I keep more and grow more? Because earning more without a system, it is like pouring water into a bucket with holes. It doesn't matter how much you pour in, it never fills up. There's nothing wrong with wanting to earn more money. In fact, you should. But income is just a tool. And tools only work if you use them correctly. Because at the end of the day, financial freedom isn't about how much you make. It's about how much control you have over your life. And that comes from discipline, awareness, and intentional decisions, not just a bigger paycheck. If this shifted your perspective, hit that like button. Subscribe if you want more content on wealth building, money psychology, and designing a life where your money actually works for you. And in the comments, tell me this. What's one expense that increased as your income increased, that you might need to rethink? Because the moment you become aware is the moment everything starts to change.